Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ranita. Let's make Oreo cups today. Before we get started, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. This is a super simple recipe with just 2 ingredients. Note it down. So let's begin. Transfer about 6 to 8 Oreos into your blender. You needn't remove the cream of it. Leave it as it is and blend it to make fine powder. Now transfer this powdered Oreos into a clean bowl. Add sufficient condensed milk so that the powder combines well and gets lumpy enough. You will need 2 containers or mold to make this Oreo cup, one slightly smaller than the other. Cover the sides that will be exposed to the dough with cling wraps. Fill the larger cup with mixed powder and then press it down firmly and equally with the smaller one. And that should do. Your Oreo cups are ready. Freeze it for about 30 minutes. Remove it from its mold and serve any creamy dessert or chocolates in this cup. And that's how creative and easy it is to make these Oreo cups. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, as to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.